steganography in images is to hide information in pixels of images imperceptibly to the human eye. In this problem, there are ASCII messages hidden in the image pixels. More specifically, the least significant bit of each pixel represents a piece of the ASCII message. Every 8 consecutive bits we have a byte. Convert that byte into an ASCII value. To make your life easier, images will always have a number of pixels multiple of 8. Print all ASCII characters extracted from the image. For example, given an input image of width equal to 4 and height equal to 4, it's basically all this. So for the first line, 106, 19, 134, and 22, it's basically equals to all this. And this one is basically to that. This line equals to this. And lastly, this one is equal to that. So this is the extracted bits. This is the split binary information into bytes. And this is the map bytes to ASCII. It's basically this. And output is HE, which is this. So I'm not going to do Python, let's do C++. So let's find out what codingame has provided me. So the first 2 lines are the width and height for the dimensions of the image. For the next lines are basically the space separated integers for the pixel of the image, which is basically all this. And for the output, it's basically the ASCII message extracted from the image. So this is example for the input and output, and there are only 4 test cases. So the first one is hello world. The second one, this is a lot of fun. The third one is I learned something new with this puzzle. And the fourth one is I will hide messages in all my photos. So let's solve it.